On March 18, 2024, officers responded to a domestic dispute. Upon arrival, they encountered the girlfriend's mother, who claimed the argument escalated, prompting her daughter to attack the police.
No, she's gonna be aggressive, please. Sit down.
Don't tell me what to do.
The girlfriend charged at the officers, who restrained her after the mother intervened.
I told you. Put your hands behind your back. Who's got cuffs? I got hands. Calm down.
Stop moving your wrist. Do not grab onto me.
The girlfriend's aggressive behavior might be linked to a lack of discipline during her upbringing. She had recently finished probation for assaulting an officer and resisted arrest, forcing officers to use additional force.
We told you to stay back. Stay back.
Do not tell my mom. No.
Brittany, stop.
What do you people think you are? You are nothing.
Brittany, stop on your head.
Don't kick me.
You have 3169, 3169.
Not until just now, but it wasn't like a fight.
Okay, what do you expect?
I had to have footage. I can't remember because she's broken my stuff before. I know you've seen the notes on this house, but I literally have motion sensor on it from start.
The incident, which began over a cigarette, escalated quickly. The boyfriend, who filmed the altercation, refuted the mother's claims that he was the aggressor, as the video showed her aggression but no physical assault from him.
What is this video of?
It's of the whole thing.
Okay, but does it show her, you guys fighting, or what is it?
It shows the door. Yeah, it shows the start of it.
Okay.
The door where I was.
So
not like physically. I pushed her out the room.
You pushed her out
Yeah,
the
and
room?
it shows on there. Like I pushed her out.
Why did you push her out the room?
Because she assaulted me.
Okay,
Like, I
that's what I'm
stood there
trying
and
to get
took
at.
it. Yeah, no, I stood there and took it, and then after like a minute of it, grabbed and literally like moved her to the door. And then when she got to
Did
the
you
door,
throw any strikes at her?
Absolutely
Did she
not.
throw any strikes at you? Is that from her?
No,
Where's that from?
that's her. This is from this. All this right here is not from anything today. That was from 2 nights ago. But that's her. That's her. She ripped my shirt. I don't know if there's something on my chest or not. She tried to get my necklace.
The mother's account contradicted the evidence, and the boyfriend's video confirmed he had acted in self-defense.
And he was smashing her with the door.
Okay.
I mean, she was like on her butt. Her head was sticking out. Her glasses went a-flying.
During the whole
she
thing?
couldn't really do nothing because she was stuck between here, and he kept closing the door on her. I don't think she hit her. She grabbed his shirt.
Okay.
I had to back up so I didn't get knocked over and stuff.
1725.
And it was more him being the aggressor then than she was.
Okay.
I was in the room.
So she
was trapped in the door.
So she got pissed at him for smoking in the house, and then it just all spiraled from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
The police informed him that the girlfriend would likely face charges for assaulting an officer, resisting arrest, and obstructing justice.
Sure. Yeah, right here. Literally, right there. That's where it started. I did not hit her. I wanted to. I did not touch her.
On 18th
Because I had a
Street towards
cigarette.
Kenmore Boulevard, white
See,
male
that's the
wearing
door
a
right
tan
there.
jacket.
She linchpinned right there. Would not let me go to smoke a cigarette outside like she wanted.
Show him she's trapped between the door and the floor.
Yeah, I will. Because I was defending myself. It's better than f***ing her up again. It's on there. I'm showing everything, Tootie. I'm showing everything. That's why I record.
Is this her mom?
Yes.
Well, I got trapped in that room.
Yeah, and when you said let me out, that let her out. I had her contained for a second, and you wanted out, and then you didn't even go out. You didn't even... Yeah, it's all on there, Tootie. It's all on there. You don't have to tell them anything.
Okay.
It's just defending. That's all it is.
Take a breather.
After medical checks confirmed no injuries, the girlfriend admitted to a history of aggressive reactions and a prior assault on an officer. Ultimately, the girlfriend's arrest for resisting, obstructing, and assaulting an officer adds to her record of violence against law enforcement, highlighting a need for intervention. But this is not the worst case. Just wait until you see this next one. On March 19th, 2024, an alarming incident unfolded in Hoboken, New Jersey, involving a highly intoxicated woman who entered a stranger's home. resulting in her arrest and subsequent legal proceedings. The events began when dispatch received a call about an unknown woman knocking on the door of an apartment where she did not reside.
I do not have my contacts in. I'm here with my teenage son. I don't know how she got here.
Turn
I can't see anything. I did not. She came closer and I told her I was going to find her. She stepped closer. Okay.
How did she get in the house?
I don't know. Can I go put my contacts
Yes.
on? Yes. You I'm so sorry.
Come outside. Come outside. She's gone.
Hold on.
What's your name? Where are you from?
She's intoxicated.
Yeah, let's see if she was in the building.
Do you live in this building? Man. Where you coming from?
Officers arrived to find the woman visibly intoxicated and disoriented. Despite repeated questioning, she struggled to provide coherent answers about her location, the address she was in, and where she lived. She admitted to having had a rough day and consuming alcohol, but was unable to remember specifics about her evening or how she ended up in the apartment.
Do you have an ID on you?
Not right now.
What's your name? Where do you live?
These two officers, he didn't see anybody. So she made me.
You know where you live?
No, right down the street. I do know.
Where?
In this building?
Here?
What city are you in right now? What city are you in?
Hoboken.
And what address is this?
Hoboken?
What address are you? What building are you in?
Where do you live?
She doesn't know.
Shut up.
Where do you live? Where did you come from?
Be honest, so you know what address you're supposed to be in?
If you don't speak so much under pressure, it's calm down.
How did she get in there?
At this point, we mostly have criminal trespassing.
Upon arrival, the officers attempted to piece together the situation. The woman's inability to provide clear answers about her residence or the address she was in raised concerns. The officers conducted a search to ensure she wasn't carrying any dangerous items.
It's still like pressurized.
That apartment is in your apartment that you walked into. Someone lives there.
Take care.
Why are you in this building? That's what we're asking. You're obviously intoxicated, which is fine, but we want to know why you're here. Why are you going into someone else's apartment? You don't live here.
I couldn't care.
What? You don't care.
No, they were like, oh,
You're
come.
going to scare a mother and her daughter.
Stop. They were saying, come with
Turn
me.
around. Turn around. Just turn around. Turn around. I'm not sure what that means. It is bad because you went to someone else's home.
I live in the road.
Yes, you don't live in this apartment, ma'am. I understand you're intoxicated.
I saw you also. I was gone.
Just so you know, our body cam is on, okay? This was recording you.
I don't know what I said. I was like, hello, and I told her she needed to leave. And I called her.
I didn't do anything.
No.
Do you know where you're coming from?
Despite her claims of not having done anything wrong, the officers informed her that her behavior constitutes trespassing. She was formally arrested and charged with criminal trespassing after it was confirmed she had entered an apartment without permission.
Where were you tonight?
I was in my work all day.
You were at work all day?
All day.
Okay, and then where'd you go after?
I had a really bad day.
You had a bad day at work?
Yeah.
Okay. And then did you out in Hoboken to drink?
Sure.
Where? What bar?
A couple of them.
A couple of them? When you went to the bars, what did you pay with?
Why are you so white?
I'm trying to identify who you are so I know where you live. We're gonna bring him to the bar now? Come on, we're gonna go down these stairs? No, you do have to, man, because Yeah, you're under arrest.
For what?
For trespassing into someone's apartment.
What?
You walked into someone's apartment.
Who the fuck is inviting me?
They don't know who you are. Do you know that?
Really?
Buddy, we're gonna walk down these steps, okay?
Can we chat my husband?
I'll call you guys, yeah. We'll call you guys.
Not right now?
Yeah. We have to walk down the stairs, ready?
Sure, you're gonna film me at it?
No, you're gonna walk.
Yeah.
Ready?
Get the show of my house?
No, you're under arrest. That's why you're in cuffs.
During the arrest, the woman expressed distress and confusion. She requested to contact her husband, but was told that she would be able to do so once she was taken to the police headquarters. Due to her intoxicated state, she was also transported to Hoboken University Medical Center for evaluation, before being processed at the station.
You can't just be going to someone else's house. Come in and trial.
I didn't do anything.
You went into someone's house. You don't live there.
What?
Take a seat, sir.
Everything is okay.
What happened? What happened?
Have a
We
seat.
explained it to you. You went to someone's apartment.
You
So
don't
why?
Take a seat. We don't know why you went in there.
You lied. What do you
I don't know why you went in there.
Just.
She knows she's in Hoboken. She knows she's in Hoboken. Okay.
What do you want to hear?
Those girls said that, you know how you came here for that call?
Yeah.
I would do on a report saying that you did come here for a call.
Yeah.
And that was her. They said they called on her.
But they didn't get no description for her. Or said it's female. Or anything. They just said someone's knocking on the door for 30 minutes.
Yeah, and they didn't want to talk to you guys.
Right.
Who took her up?
She's in
Right
there.
now.
Oh, okay. Let's get a blind form.
Did they get into a physical fight?
Do you not remember you were just in someone's apartment? There was a lady in a tile.
What were you drinking?
Yeah.
She said Hoboken a couple of places. I would ask.
You have friends here? No. Okay.
So you
here
don't
by
remember
yourself?
that you were just in an apartment?
Following her evaluation, the woman faced charges of criminal trespassing. Additionally, she was cited for refusal to submit to fingerprinting, which is a common procedure during arrest processing. This added another layer to her legal troubles, complicating the resolution of her case. The woman's actions directly violated New Jersey's criminal statutes, specifically under the provisions for criminal trespassing. Chapter 18, Section 3 of the New Jersey Code of Criminal Justice defines criminal trespassing. This statute prohibits individuals from entering or remaining on property without permission, and it encompasses several degrees of offenses based on circumstances. Criminal trespassing is typically classified as a disorderly persons offense or a petty disorderly persons offense, depending on the nature of the trespass. For a first-time offense, penalties may include fines and imprisonment for up to 6 months. Repeated offenses or aggravated circumstances could lead to more severe penalties, including higher fines and extended imprisonment. In addition, under New Jersey law, refusal to comply with fingerprinting requirements during an arrest can result in additional legal complications. This act can be treated as obstructing justice or failing to comply with lawful orders from law enforcement, which can result in further legal charges and penalties. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even worse. Let's start with this insufferable woman who warns male officers not to touch her. On May 11th, 2023, at a Florida beach, a woman's behavior led to a dramatic confrontation with law enforcement. The video footage begins with the woman's escalating behavior on the beach, which eventually drew the attention of law enforcement. The initial interaction appears to involve a disturbance complaint, as the woman was reportedly creating a public nuisance. Her behavior quickly escalated, leading to a confrontation with the police.
You got ID on us?
No.
You don't?
No, why do I need to give you my ID?
Because I'm conducting an investigation. What's your name?
I'm going to report you when I get done giving
Okay,
you the
what's your name?
information that I need, and I'm putting this, I'm telling
What's
you
your
I'm
name?
filming this. My name is Maya.
You spell the first name, please?
Hell no. You can do it. Do you need to see my ID?
Ma'am,
You asked for my ID, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay, let me give you my ID so you can
That's
shut the
fine.
fuck up talking to me.
All right, ma'am, you can lose the attitude or I'll just put you in handcuffs.
Upon arrival, the police officers attempted to de-escalate the situation by speaking calmly with the woman. Despite their efforts, the woman's reactions were hostile and non-compliant.
Because,
I've already submitted
lower
the
your voice.
documentation
Lower your
to
voice.
the Justice Department.
Lower
you
your
need to
voice.
get a female here because I
No, I
don't want
don't.
a male touching me.
No, I don't. That's not how this works.
That is how that works.
You're not in control here, ma'am.
Yes, I am.
So, I'm going to tell you right now, you can lower your voice. I'm going to put you in handcuffs and take you to jail for disorderly conduct. Provide me a form of identification. What I said was, if you continue to yell at me, I'm going to arrest you for disorderly conduct. That's what I said. I don't need to see that. I was standing right here. I said it to you. What I said was...
Hold on, before you continue.
I've been recording the entire time. I don't care.
I'm recording too.
What I told you was that if you continue to yell at me and try to yell over me, I'm going to arrest you for disorderly conduct.
Continue to come in
I don't-
contact with
ma'am,
you. I don't
I-
want nothing to do with you
I
or
don't
the police
care.
department.
I don't care.
Okay, I know you
I
don't care. But
I'm here
telling you.
investigating a suspicious incident
Okay.
that was reported by a city employee And by state law, you're required to identify yourself when I'm conducting a legal, lawful investigation.
Okay, so I did. I need my ID so I can leave.
Like I said, when I'm done, I will give it to you.
Okay.
I'm not accusing you of anything. I'm going to give you some information to help you stay out of trouble in the future, okay? So I'm going to inform you of some city ordinances, such as we have a no camping in the city of Key West. Key West defines camping a little bit differently than other places. Essentially, if you have a barrier between yourself and the ground, and or your personal elements, that is camping. It does not matter if you're asleep or not. If you're caught camping, from this point forward, you can and will be arrested. We have an open container city ordinance. If you walk around anywhere other than the Duval Street with open container alcohol, you can and will be arrested. However, if you start acting like an asshat on Duval Street, we can revoke this privilege. It is not a right. Park and beach after hours. All the city parks, all the city beaches. One of the city parks, which you are currently standing in, close at 11 p.m. They do not reopen until 7 a.m. Do you understand? So if you turn around and film this,
I did.
I
gave that to my lawyer yesterday.
Stop. Ma'am, I'm only going to tell you one more time not to raise your voice
I'm not
at me.
yelling. This is how
I have not yelled at you.
So don't
I have
ask me any questions because this is how I talk.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm being harassed and stopped by the police and I need help.
All right.
They won't leave me alone.
She was visibly agitated and began shouting at the officers, which led to her being detained for further questioning. The officers followed standard procedures to ensure her safety and that of the public during the arrest.
I do not want you patting me down or anything.
I don't care. That's not how this works.
Okay, so if you touch me, I'm going to, do not touch me.
Ma'am, stop. You're not getting in my vehicle unless I search you.
So you need to call a female. Do not touch me.
That is not how
If you touch me, I swear to God, I'm going to kick, I'm going to fight. I swear to God. If you touch me, I'm going to fight. Do not touch me. I'm requesting for a female officer.
Goldsmith?
You're going to jail.
In fact, you are going to jail.
Okay, let's go. I've been to jail. I know the procedures.
You're not
you got the right one.
You're not getting in
so
my
you
car
need to call for another officer.
No, that is not how this works.
Okay, so I did. So you're going to be held accountable. I'm not giving you permission to touch me.
That is not how this works.
Okay, do what you got to do, but I'm not giving you permission to touch
Ms.
me.
Goldsmith, separate your feet. No,
you're not touching me.
Ma'am.
You're not touching my fucking private property.
Throughout the encounter, the woman exhibited a range of emotions, including anger and frustration. Her verbal outbursts and refusal to cooperate with the police officers contributed to the escalating tension.
You scraped me. I have cuts and bruises. I did not bite you.
Did I bite myself?
I did not do that.
All over.
You lying.
Right there.
You scraped me, and I do have injuries. You see that shit? Don't play with me.
Ma'am?
You threw me to the ground like a man.
You tried to elbow me.
Ma'am, I got nowhere near your
Yes, you did.
Stop screaming at me.
You pervert.
Screaming
You
at me.
pervert.
Ms. Goldsmith, stop screaming at me.
Get the from over me like that.
Stop.
Get the from over me like that.
Do not.
That's better. Get off of me.
Stop.
If you scrape me up, that's more.
Well, you've already elbowed me, bit him.
Because you tried to touch my vagina.
Nobody tried to touch
and you
your
did
vagina,
not get
ma'am.
elbowed. You lying now. You trying to make the situation worse. But I got it on camera. I was calm until you tried to touch my vagina. I need a female officer. I requested for a female officer. And I got you on camera doing this yesterday. They did it yesterday.
I don't know.
Did you know that? The police was called yesterday for the same shit. You in trouble, bitch.
Stop screaming at me.
At one point, she was seen actively resisting arrest, which resulted in the officers using necessary force to restrain her.
Get the fuck off my skin.
Stop resisting.
Thought I didn't know the law. Anytime a female requests for a female officer, she is supposed to get it when she's in compliance. You thought I didn't know that shit, did you? You thought I didn't know that shit, didn't you? You going to you in trouble, motherfucker. And I swear to God, I hope they throw your ass in that bitch for a long time. Thought you was big and bad. Now I'm finna show your motherfucking ass who bad, bitch.
Yeah, just clean it up.
Some alcohol?
Alcohol, peroxide? Yeah, just, I don't know what that is.
I like alcohol better, but it burns.
Don't put yourself over me like that.
Well, I'm gonna say it because it's the truth and it's
that's
all on
fine.
camera.
It's all on camera. You in trouble. I did not bite you and I did not kick you.
No, you didn't bite me. You didn't kick me. You elbowed me.
I kicked back when he tried to touch my vagina, yes. He went down there, tried to touch my vagina,
He had his
and
hand-
I went like that.
You don't have to yell. I'm talking.
Okay,
Having a
so
conversation.
I'm letting you know why I did what I did, because you tried to touch my private part.
Okay. Well, it doesn't work like that because we have to wait for our supervisor now.
I want to stand up, because I'm
You're
on
not
the
gonna stand up. The best I'll do for you is I'll let you sit up and lean against the wall.
I'm not doing that.
Okay.
This is fine.
You're not standing up. That's that.
fine.
That's just from.
And I have scrapes in the front as well, from them slamming me on the ground.
I'm gonna wipe them off, all right? We'll clean them up.
I'm good. There was another person, when they slammed me to the ground, he was in a truck.
Let's sit her up against the wall.
He was in a truck when they slammed me on the ground. It was a man.
We're gonna turn you sit against the wall.
Following the arrest, the woman faced several legal challenges. The charges brought against her include disorderly conduct, resisting arrest without violence, and public intoxication. The legal process involved a court appearance where she was informed of the specific charges and potential penalties.
Hurry up and get me the fuck out of here. Throw me in that bitch. They gonna hold me for about 45 minutes in a holding cell, then take me from there. I see the magistrate. Then I go from there, I go get processed, and they put me on my floor, and I get my stuff, and then I take my ass to myself. I've been here, done that, bitch. You done got the right one. I told you to leave me the fuck alone. When I was walking the fuck away, you should have left me the fuck alone. You walk your ass today. This a crime. It's a fucking crime. So I know I'm going into your jail cell with you committing a fucking crime. You know how good I feel right now? I feel awesome. You committed a...
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct under Florida Statutes Chapter 877.03. This violation occurs when an individual engages in behavior that disrupts the peace and order of the public. Disorderly conduct is classified as a misdemeanor of the second degree, which can result in up to 60 days in jail and a maximum fine of $500. Additionally, she faced charges for resisting arrest without violence as per Florida Statutes Chapter 843.02. This charge applies when a person obstructs or resists an officer in the lawful execution of their duties without resorting to violence. It is considered a misdemeanor of the first degree, with penalties including up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine. Finally, the woman was cited for public intoxication under Florida Statutes Chapter 856.011. This offense is defined by being under the influence of alcohol or drugs to the extent that it causes a public disturbance. As a misdemeanor of the second degree, it carries a penalty of up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. Seems like this woman just landed herself in hot water.